Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of biomedical instrumentation. So the topic which we are going to discuss here is bioelectrodes. So bioelectrodes is nothing but an electrode which has been placed, which acts as an interface between the human body as well as the electronic system. So, moreover, it acts as a transducer which is used to convert the ionic current which has been present inside the body into an electronic current which is easily acceptable by the electronic devices. So, basically, there are three different types of electrodes: body or surface electrodes, microelectrodes, depth and needle electrodes. Body or surface electrodes, it is used to measure the potentials from the surface of the body, whereas the microelectrodes, it is used to measure the potentials within a single cell. Depth and needle electrode, it could be easily penetrated into the cell. In this video, let's see the different types of surface electrodes and how it is used to measure the biological signals. So body or surface electrode, as the name indicates, it is placed on the surface of the skin. If it is of larger surface area, it is used to measure the ECG signal. If it is of smaller surface area, it is used to measure the EMG or EEG signals. Then types of surface electrodes. These could be of five different types of surface electrodes, which are metal plate electrodes, suction cup electrodes, adhesive tape electrodes, multi-point tape electrodes, and floating point electrodes. Metal plate electrodes could also be called as limp electrodes. Suction cup electrodes could also be called as Welch cup electrodes. So let's now discuss in each type in detail now. First is metal plate electrodes. The metal plate electrodes, it is a very ancient method use of type of electrodes which is used to measure the ECG signal, and it is made up of a metal. The metal could be of stainless steel, platinum or gold plated. On the type of the metal, we have a smaller diameter through which a lead wire has been inserted. From the lead wire, it is connected to the electronic device whose measurement could be easily taken, and it is moreover used to reduce the artifact in the sense movement of the patient's body or the movement of the device, which is used to avoid the errors taking place in the biopotentials. Second type of electrode is the suction cup electrodes. The suction cup electrodes, it was used in the ancient days to measure the ECG signals. We have a rubber bulb on the one end and we'll have a rim which has been placed on the other end. When the rubber bulb has been squeezed, the rim will get firmly fixed on the patient's body, so that it is used to measure the ECG signal. And this would cause a unbearable pain because it is made up of strong rigid body. It will be causing an impression on the patient's body, and moreover it is prone to skin diseases. So now the suction cup electrodes are not used to measure the ECG signals. So this is in real time application how an suction cup electrode has been placed for a patient. So this is suction cup electrode has been placed for a patient to measure the ECG signals. Then comes the third type is the adhesive tape electrodes, which is a disposable tape electrodes. This is a common electrode which we are using nowadays. So it is a disposable pad which has been placed on the one side of the electrode. It could be easily removed. We have a black metal or a black space through which a metal disc or electrolyte has been inserted, through which a lead wire has been inserted, which has to be connected to the electronic devices. Fourth type is a multi-point electrode. This could be used to measure the EEG signal since it has more number of contact points. A more number of contact points is required to measure the EEG signals. So this type of electrodes could be used in measuring the EEG signals which has a low contact resistance. The final type of surface electrode will be the floating type electrode. So the electrolyte gel is placed inside an insulating package. It is also called as liquid junction electrode. The motion artifact could be easily removed or could be eliminated by this type of electrode, similar to the metal plate electrodes. These are the five different types of surface electrodes. Thank you.